Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Simonswerk Tectus 240 3D hinge using plate and origin. This hinge is fantastic for most architectural applications. It's meant for hanging large doors, and the beautiful thing about it is it's fully adjustable. So let's go ahead and head over to the hardware catalog where we can find it. The hardware catalog is where we have hundreds of tested and verified hardware files from top manufacturers. I'm going to go ahead and hit my filter, scroll down to find Simonswerk, and grab the 240 3D concealed hinge. You can see here on the page it gives us all the relevant information, including overall dimensions, material thickness required, mortise depth, and a thumbnail of what the cut file is going to look like. Included in the download is all the relevant PDFs from the manufacturer too for installation. Let's go ahead and sync to my files. All right, setting up plate on my door section here. Working on an 1 5/8" thick door. My plate has the edge mortising adapter attached in the middle position, and I can just line myself up with my pencil mark. Bring in a nice squeeze clamp on either side. And bring in your origin. Today I'm going to be using the 8mm by 35mm finishing bit. First things first, you want to make sure that you Z-touch directly off of your door material. There we go. Hop into design and import my concealed hinge. In this download, there's 2 files, one for the frame and one for the door. I'm going to grab the door side. We will align our custom anchor point to 0, 0. You can see a small gap there. That small gap is the recommended backstep from the manufacturer. So all we need to do is place it at 0, 0. Cut file comes as a pocket. If you're using a smaller bit, you will need to pocket first. We can change this to an inside cut since we're using the 8mm. I just want to double check that my passes on auto pass look good. Yep. Perfect. We're ready to go. Now before I remove plate, I want to make sure that everything fits to my liking, because now is my opportunity to adjust the offset, but that is perfect. It also comes slightly recessed because it gives us room for the decorative plates that cover over all the hardware. As for installing the jamb section, you want to make sure that the jamb is able to come off of the wall, and the process is very similar. Thank you very much for watching.